Andrew, you are part of the association that rescued these two birds. Tell us about how you found them and what they're about.
This one here was found in Manaba on the beach, and this one here came from Oslo Beach. Both these birds breed off the islands on the Antarctica area. This one we estimate is less than a year old, and this one is 2 to 3 years of age.
They're very big, beautiful birds, aren't they? A little bit out of their way?
Just flying around, circumnavigating the Earth and the southern oceans, and they can go anywhere. Very seldom do they come to land, except in breeding time. And of course, they only stop breeding at anything from five years upwards.
Do they land here on the coast?
No, never. The only time you'll really see these guys is when they're out at sea, or if they're injured and they get washed up onto the beach.
Guesstimate of what this one is, a male or female?
It's very hard to say. Very hard to say. The only way to do it is on weight, and even that is a very, very, very touchy subject. It's not exactly 100%. There's such an overlap.
And have you been caring for the birds?
Michelle's been looking after them.
Michelle, welcome. You're from the Second Chance Avian Rescue Association here on the South Coast. Tell us about these birds that you've got here.
Well, the one is a northern giant's petrel, and the other one is a southern giant petrel. The southern giant petrel washed up here about 2 weeks ago on Manaba Beach, and the northern giant petrel washed up on the beach on Oslo Beach about a week ago. They suffered from extreme exhaustion. But they've made an excellent recovery, and we're very happy to release them today.
And you've been looking after them all this time. What have you been feeding them?
That was quite a mission. The southern giant petrel is more of a fish eater, so we've been feeding it sardines and a little bit of meat. And then the northern giant petrel is more of a meat eater, so we've been feeding it a lot of chicken.
A new diet for these birds.
Absolutely, and they eat a lot. About 1 kg sardines just for breakfast.
Wow, okay. Now these birds are being taken out to sea today, and you're going to release them out there. What do you expect is going to happen out there?
Well, they'll either fly away from the boat, or they'll just jump into the sea and just eventually swim out. They actually need big waves to help them lift off and launch.
Okay, so you basically can take the cages out on the boat, open the cage and see what happens next.
Exactly, but we're not going to do it with both at the same time because they cannot stand each other for some reason. We're going to first release one and then the other one after that.
Michelle, we wish you luck. We'll see you when you come back.
Thank you very much. I need it.
Thank you.
It's your last thought. Okay.
She's christened your boat.
That's right.
I think with this.
Did you ever see when we released
Oh,
it?
that one's not hanging about.
No.
the right direction.
Okay.